Thank you for clicking on this video in the faculty heads up. I'm going to give you an overview of the draft February 8, 2018 Faculty Council meeting, and then I will give an update in the Faculty Insight towards the end of the month. So here's our agenda, and feel free to click on it in this email. So we'll do our welcome and hellos, and I also have a lot of links. So on the What's Going On link, I've highlighted some things that are going on. We're planning to go to every campus with some coffee and donuts to interact. Also, if there's an activity going on your campus and you'd like me to come, please invite me. I'll bring some coffee and donuts. Also, it's Black History Month, so there's a lot of events. Check those out. There's a nationally recognized speaker that'll be coming. So information here. VALIC sessions are still going on. Information here. There's a spring job fair. Check that out for your students. Get the Valencia app. I'll talk a little bit more about that, but get the Valencia app. And there's a counseling spring newsletter, so definitely check that out. I also put this month basically my schedule in January, so you can check out the meetings that I'm going to. This is kind of an overview. I put some links and maybe some agendas or some notes for those meetings, but it gives you an idea of all the different activities that are going on and the meetings that I attend. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I've also given you an update on fall 2007 work teams that are going on. Thank you so much for volunteering. So I've put in some notes here and some updates and some links of the teams that we started last semester, and I really appreciate you volunteering because we are a big part of Valencia College in making changes. And again, the Valencia app, please get it. I have it on my phone. It's ready anytime I need it. You just download it. It looks like this. So make sure you get it, download it. Very, very important. All the information is here for it. We want to assess how the Faculty Council is doing, so there's a link here. Please check that out. It's a quick survey to let us know how we're doing. Remember, the two primary responsibilities of Faculty Council to provide the voice of faculty and to be stewards of faculty engagement. So please take the time to click on the link and let us know how we're doing. We want to continuously improve for you. And this is the first time we've ever done an assessment, so we want to keep it going. So please give us your feedback. We're giving some advice and feedback on dry erase crayons. I don't know if you've heard about that, but it's a pilot that they're trying instead of the markers, but dry erase crayons. If you want some information, let me know. We did put some feedback here. There is a list. We need faculty to volunteer. The list of all the requests are here. We're going to be looking for a new Vice President of Faculty Association. Nomination forms here and all information. We're going to be looking for people to serve on the College-Wide Student Activity Fee Budget Committee, Endowed Chairs Selection Committee, Faculty Association Award Selection Committee, the Grievance Committee. We're looking for commencement faculty marshals. We're looking for faculty to be involved with faculty data analysis. We're looking for a college-wide ombuds representative. And we're looking for members for the Faculty Compensation Advisory nomination form is here. Click on the link. All the information is there. If you have a question, I put contact people. Please nominate yourself. It is available now. We'll leave it up for 2-3 weeks, and then we'll decide in our March 8 meeting who will be selected. But if you have questions, please let me know. Please share it with others. If there's someone you think would be great for one of these teams, please share. Faculty are needed. We need your voice. And then we're going to vote on the ethical conduct and performance policy. I've mentioned this pretty much every month for a couple months now, but it's going to come to the council for endorsement, so it can go to the board in February. The policies here, the changes are here, and some information and how we got to this point. So we'll be voting on that to endorse or not. And we're also going to have a discussion on the final exam. There's a proposal that was put out. Basically, final exam week, instead of having a 2-hour block or 2.5-hour block, that we would actually have a regular week, and during that week you would give a final exam. So for example, if you have a Monday-Wednesday class, final exam week, you would have a Monday-Wednesday class, and then one of those days, or both if you decide, will be your final exam. But it'll be regular classes, and you would schedule your final exam during that time period. The proposals here, it's really just for discussion at this point. We're just trying to collect feedback and think and see how faculty think. Then we're going to have a couple guest speakers. Wendy Du, Lisa Schelfelfer, Val Waldman, Jeannie Wright, and Josh are going to come and talk about The Rock, academic integrity plagiarism prevention tool for Canvas, and give us a Canvas update from 3 to 3:45. Then we're going to have a conversation on international students from Joe Batista and Lisa Eli. Basically, we want to make sure that we understand international students. So, for example, giving them a W or an F in your class, what are the implications? Since they're international students, we're getting information from them. John Slott is going to come talk about OIT, and there's a report here, so check that out. Then we're going to go around and hear how the campus assemblies and senates are doing, and if they have any feedback and questions for us. We're going to be looking at presidential funds. I do receive some money for activities, so we're going to be going to every campus and providing donuts and coffee, and going to the Senate and Assembly meetings we've done already. There's a couple left, things like that, and other ways we can have engagement. And then our next meeting will be March 8, 2018 from 2 to 5 at Lake Nona campus. That's just a quick overview. Please check the links. Please tell people to get the Valencia Safety app, and please nominate yourself for one of those available positions, because again, faculty are very important here at Valencia and we want our voice heard. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. Especially, we're going to be looking for the next vice president of Faculty Association. My term ends at the end of August, or at the end of summer in July, and then we'll have a vice president who will come in. He'll be vice president for a year, then president, and then past president. But all the details are in that form, and if you have questions or anything, you always know you can contact me. Thank you so much for everything you do. Thank you.